First of all, name of a learn file. In this CSS tutorial, we will learn about CSS text decoration in body section, adding level 1 open tag and over line and close, adding level 1 and adding 2. And close, adding 2, forward slash, and the close tag, adding level 3, open tag, adding level 3, underline text, and close, adding 3 tag, the element, open tag and close tag, paragraph, and we will use dummy tags just for learning in p tag, paste, save the file and go to the browser. Now we will apply CSS on overline, row text decoration and underline text. In head section, we will use internal CSS, open style tag and close style tag. In style tag, comment forward slash static CSS text decoration static forward slash. After comment, we will apply CSS on heading level 1, h1, open curly braces and close. And now we will use property and property value use text decoration overline, text decoration overline semicolon, save the file. A decoration line to text. The text decoration line property is used to add a decoration line to text. Save the file and go to the browser and refresh the page. One value, overline and underline to display lines, both over and under a text. And now we'll apply CSS on throw text and use underline, adding to represent to this tag, adding level 2 and apply CSS on this adding to. We will use CSS property and property value, text decoration line through, text decoration colon line through semicolon, save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. It is not recommended to underline text that is not aligned, as this often confuses the reader. Now we will apply on underline CSS, adding 3, open curly braces and close, adding 3 represent to adding level 3, and we will apply CSS on this heading 3. We will use CSS property and property value, text decoration colon overline underline overline underline semicolon, save the file and go to the browser, refresh the page. Overline and underline CSS we applied on underline text. Now we will learn about specify a color for the decoration line. In comment, specify a color for the decoration line. In body section, heading 1, heading 2, paragraph 3, and overline text decoration, text decoration, and now we will apply CSS on heading 1. Text decoration right as it is, and now we will apply CSS on heading 1. Use property and property value. Text decoration color use. Text decoration color colon below semicolon. Save the file and refresh the page. The text decoration color property is used to set the color of the decoration line, and now we will apply color on heading 2. This heading, text decoration color colon orange semicolon. Save the file and refresh the page, and line through orange, upper line and underline text. Apply CSS on heading 3. Text decoration color colon brown. Save the file and go to the browser and refresh the page. Upper line and underline text brown, and now we will apply CSS on paragraph. Character represent to class attribute, and P1 for paragraph. Open curly braces and close, and we will use property and property value CSS. Text decoration line colon overline line underline semicolon, and text decoration color colon green semicolon. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Oh, sorry. Now we will apply CSS this on paragraph. Use class equal double quotes and type P1. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Overline and underline, and its color is green. Now we will learn about specify a style for the decoration line. Open Notepad++ and heading specify a style for the decoration line. Internal CSS, we will apply CSS on heading 1, 2, 3 and paragraph. Heading 1, open curly braces and close curly braces. text decoration line, text decoration line, colon, underline, semicolon, text decoration style, text decoration style, colon, solid, semicolon, and heading 2, open curly braces and close, text decoration line, copy as it is, Control C, Control V in heading 2, underline, solid, style, double into double change, and copy as it is, heading 2, Control C, underneath, Control V, and heading 3, and dot it. Save the file, go to the browser, and refresh the page. Dotted underline and double underline and underline solid. Period character P1, open curly braces and close curly braces, text decoration line, colon, underline, semicolon, text decoration color, text decoration color, colon, blue, semicolon, text decoration style, colon, maybe, save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. The text decoration style property is used to set the style of the decoration line. Now we will learn about specify the thickness for the decoration line. In command, specify a color change in the thickness for the decoration line, and heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3 as it is, and heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 right as it is, and we will change only thickness on overline, line through, underline, upper and under, change in CSS. Heading 1, text decoration overline, text decoration color, and remove text decoration and remove blue color, semicolon, column, and color, text decoration thickness, column, auto, semicolon, save the file, and go to the browser and refresh the page. Now we will apply CSS on thickness, heading 2, and change color and value, thickness, column, 5 px, semicolon. The text decoration thickness property is used to set the thickness of the decoration line. save the file and go to the browser and refresh the page, line through thickness. And now we will apply CSS on heading 3 and thickness. Color as it is brown, heading 3, and text decoration, thickness, column, remove this text decoration, style views, style, column, double, and semicolon. Now another CSS apply on heading 3, and we will use text decoration thickness, text decoration thickness, colon, IPX, semicolon, save the file and go to the browser and refresh the page. Thickness, upper line double and underline double and 5px thickness. Now we will learn about shorthand property. Open Notepad++ and only we will change CSS heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 and body section heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 write as it is, and only we will change because we are learning shorthand property. And property. Now we will change CSS in heading 1, remove and text decoration, colon, underline, underline, semicolon, and change also heading 2, remove text decoration, colon, text decoration, underline red, underline corrected, shorthand property, semicolon, and now we will change in heading 3, text decoration, underline double, colon, underline double, shorthand property use, and these CSS heading 1, 2, 3 apply on heading 1. Now we will learn about a simple tip. Open Notepad++ in command, remove shorthand property, simple tip, and remove all CSS from head section in internal CSS, and now we will use hyperlink, open tag A, hyperreference equal double quotes and close and Google, just for learning, Google, and close tag, A tag. Now we will apply CSS on a hyperlink and save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Google this hyperlink. When mouse on the Google, and little hand appear on the Google. This is a hyperlink. Create space between hyperlink, and now we will apply CSS on this. Underline appear under the Google, and we remove this line and use CSS. A represent to this A tag, and we will apply CSS on hyperreference. Open curly braces and close, and write text decoration none. Text decoration none. Use text decoration column none semicolon, and save the file. All links in the HTML are underlined by default. Sometimes you see that links are styled with no underline. The text decoration none is used to rename, save the file, and go to the browser. Before refresh the page, we understand some simple tip. All links in the HTML are underlined by default. Sometimes we see that links are styled with no underline. The text decoration none is used to remove the underline from links. Refresh the page. As you can see, little hand appear on link when I mouse over the Google, and underline remove, and use text none, text decoration none.